Hi, this is Andy with Nioxus Corporation. In this video, we're going to continue our discussion of our CRM module by looking at reminders. I'm going to go into the CRM module and I'm going to set up a new record, and this is going to be a reminder record. Now you'll note when we go to reminder, we have the reminder date and the disregard option will pop up, as well as the reminder event. This is different from the activity where we have the start and end date, start and end time, the task, which gives us the start date and the due date, and the sales option where we look at the start date and the estimated close. With a reminder, we have the reminder date and the disregard option. Now the reminder date is the date on which we want this reminder to pop up on the user's control panel. I'll set this for today. The reminder event is optional. This is where we can set the reminder against another event in the CRM. Let's say we have a meeting coming up with Transco, and I want to set a reminder for 10 days prior to that event. Here we have the meeting with Transco set for January 15th, 2024. I could then set the reminder for January 5th, 2024, and this reminder would pop up 10 days prior to this meeting. I can then set the activity detail as such. Now, when we set a reminder, the reminder date is the trigger. This is the date on which the reminder will pop up on our control panel. This is the message that will pop up on the control panel. And optionally, if we have linked this reminder to another event, the details of that event, in this case, meeting to discuss 2024 fiscal year orders, that information will also pop up on the control panel. I'm going to set this for me. This is going to pop up on my control panel. The activity owner is the person who's going to receive the reminder. If you want multiple people to receive the same reminder, then you need to set up multiple reminder records, each with the name of the respective activity owner. I'm going to set the reminder date for today so we can see how this looks on the control panel. I'm going to go back to my control panel, and I can now see that the logo that was previously here in the middle of my screen is now replaced with this banner, Reminders for Today, Wednesday, December 27th. And this is the reminder. I have to remember to send the agenda, and this is the meeting that this reminder is alerting me to. The priority is standard, and it's optional whether or not I want to note that I completed this particular action item. Now, reminders don't necessarily need to be checked off as completed. However, if I want this to not be displayed on my screen, as long as it is set for today, and as long as I am the owner, it's going to appear on my control panel. However, if I choose to disregard the reminder will disappear and I'll return to the standard view. That's how we can set up reminders and optionally link them to other events in the CRM, or the reminder can simply stand alone. In our next video, we're going to look at how we configure follow-up activities. Maybe we just completed a face-to-face meeting, and now we want to set up a follow-up for a few days later to circle back with our customer to see if they're interested in placing that order. That's an example of a follow-up activity, and that's what we're going to talk about in our next class. I'll see you there.